Okay guys, I'm going to be unboxing new headlights for my 2011 Ram Cummins Dodge. Haven't opened it, so hopefully they're the right headlights. One box. Looks like there's two boxes open. They wrap them individually. Well padded, that's for sure. That's good. There they are. Here's our new lights. I think they're going to look really good on the truck. Comes with the basic plug and play wiring so that if you don't have projector lights on your truck presently, you can hook these projectors up and it'll work good. So I'm excited to put them on. And we will continue the video a little later and show you how to put them on.